What on earth do we have in this massive box? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixis on Tech. I am Ixis. On today's episode we have this massive box. I don't want to show you my address, but do I? What is inside? Well, I got the scissors ready. Oh, that's it. Don't need the scissors. Hopefully you can see them on that. I got a camera up there as well, and I hope the mic. Ooh. It is a bunch of paper. It is. Ooh. It's a new case for my PC. Ooh. It is. Oh God, how am I going to do this now? Can you still see me? Crack it. I'll do. It is the Deepcool Matrexx 55 ARGB PC case in white. I wanted a white one to go with the white keyboard and to go with the white mouse. Hopefully I'll be able to get a white-ish monitor. So it is white, yes, RGB, 5 volt, ADD GND, addressable ground, I guess. Internal drive bays, you've got 2.5 inch times 2, plus 2.5 or 3.5 inch bays. I need 3 really. System board is suitable for eATX, ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX. Expansion slots, it has 7. I/O ports, USB 3x1, USB 2x2, audio and mic. And, oh, come on, let's open up, let's open up. I'm so excited, I can't wait to build this. Let's cut there. Ooh. Apologies for the noise, but I left the bedroom window open. I'm shooting in the bedroom again. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to stand up against my shorts I'm wearing, my crinkled top. Ooh. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Oh. Tell you what, this microphone, it keeps cutting out and making Google Assistant come on my phone. I need to invest in another one. So here is the front. Let's see how we can pull this out. Ooh. Can you still see me? Probably not. Can you see me up there? There you go, I have a big box. Ooh. Oh, been blown out. Let's get rid of all the white, shall we? Polystyrene. Ooh, very nice. Let's take the bottom. Oh crap! Because I'm going to drop it. Maybe I should have done this the other way around. Very nice. Doesn't seem to be as deep as my current case. It's getting caught. Oh no! Oh, what? It's got stuck on the. It's stuck on the front. Oh, very nice. Ooh, magnetic dust filter on top. That's cool. USB 3, 2 USB 2s, audio mic, reset, LED button, power button. Suitable for 320 or 340 fans in the front. Let's turn on the side. Beautiful white inside. Let me touch it down a little bit. so you can see, there we go. It's got the PSU shroud. Let's take and screw these. Top of my head's gone for that. Caution, glass. Oh, one thing I forgot to bring with me is a screwdriver. Let's just, oh yeah. Best not drop that as a motorbike goes past. Okay. So somebody mentioned about your PCI Express slots. Once you've taken them out, you can't put them back in. It looks like they bend off. So PSU goes down the bottom. What we got underneath? Oh, another dust filter underneath. That's nice. So let's take off the back panel. Apparently this has a hub in there somewhere. Ooh, comes with a couple of PWM splitters, load of screws. That's nice. Oh, there's the motherboard standoffs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's spin it around and take off. Oh, he says. Oh, there we go. There's one. Oh, there's two. Oh, nice little finger slot. There you go. Let's put that there. Main. I wonder what that's for. USB 3. That must be for the RGB light strip that goes down the front. You've got your drive bays at the bottom there. You've got space to put a radiator if need be that comes down there, or your water cooling if you're going to go down that route. I'm not going to go down that route. So they can do is you might be able to fit another hard drive along the bottom there. So how many have I got in that one? I got 1, 2, 3 3.5 inch hard drives. I've got 2 SSDs. So the SSDs are going here and here. Oh, they're not sharp, which is nice. They're folded over metal. It's got lots of points we can put, what are they called? I forgot what they're called. Ties, plastic ties, I say plastic ties through there. So how do you get the drive bay off then, or don't you? No, you don't. So your PSU goes in the bottom. PSU goes in the bottom of there. We've got quite a fair amount of cable management to go around there. One thing I do have to go in here, courtesy of my mate Dave. Dave, if you're watching, thank you very much. But one thing I realised earlier on was I've got no screws for what needs to go in here. So I'll show you now. So Dave has kindly donated me his 320mm fans from his new PC case, because he's invested in some Corsair, I think it was, RGB fans to go on the front of his case. I will be investing in RGB in the future, but my motherboard does not have an RGB header, so I'll be getting one of those ones with the remote control. But it's got all the cables in there for it, which look really good. Yeah, very impressive. So I bought this case off Amazon for, it was $59.99 and had a £10 voucher I got from work, so I made it $49.99. It took about 4 days to be delivered, which is good. I will leave links in the video description below. So these fans are going to go there, there and there. I'm quite disappointed that's wonky. I don't know if you can see. Look, the plastic caught around it, and that down there, it's got RGB lighting in it. And that's going to be very cool when it's all lit up. So yeah, if you want to buy this, then as I said, I'll leave links in the video description below. Don't worry, there will be a video of me doing the transplant. Oh, so from that PC, a very old Tunia case with a nice blue circle on it. All the innards from there will be transferred to here in another video. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down, but please leave in the comments below as to why you didn't like this video. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Twitter at IxisOnTech, and I'm also on Facebook at IxisOnTech. I think that's my link. Or you can just click the links in the video description below again. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, whatever you're doing. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.